Okay, we're going to try to add some narration to this video. What you're going to see is a Bader V3 belt sander, and I've got a stack of stainless steel thin plates about 50 thousandths thick that have been punched with a hole pattern and bolted together so that I could sand the contour, the rounded end, on both sides all as one. Hopefully getting all the parts to come out similar and symmetrical on each end. Styrofoam cups full of icy snow that I grabbed from outside the door of the shop, and I'm using that to cool the parts and keep them from getting blued or straw colored, and keeping them from being too hot to hold from the abrasion, friction from abrasion. At some point in this video you'll see I go to take the burr off the edge as I'm sanding, and I'll nick my finger, tag of the cuticle and a little bit of the nail with the edge of the wheel. You're going to try not to do that. It does hurt a little bit, but if you're careful it's relatively safe. If you want to find out more about my camper project that these clearance light mounting plates are going to be applied to, you can visit Teardrops and Tiny Travel Trailers, tnttt.com, and do a search for the Poet Creek Express. It's a rather expensive, well, it is expensive. I was trying to say extensive. There you go, I nicked myself. Blog about the build of a small travel trailer, tiny camper, somewhat of a Benroy style that I've modified to my liking. Thousands of pictures, hundreds of web pages, and way too much detail of my exploits building a tiny camper. Hope you enjoy.